Touchdown in the motherland. They like, oh really now? In a different continent, better catch up if you hear me now. Mr. Explorer on the go, look, just hear me out. Cause I be
Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. It's Mr. Explorer 365 and we are live here in Lusaka, Zambia, and it's going down. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel because it's bigger than big. Check it out. It's early in the morning, it's still hot, and woo, man, it's starting to get hot. I gotta try to get you guys much footage as possible. This is my last day here and I'm headed to the next country, so please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, it's early in the morning. Work with me if I sound kind of slow. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and we just waking up, but it's still quite a amount of people on the streets for it to be this early. I mean, these streets get really busy, but it's going down. I'm here to bring you much content as possible, so roll with me and we finna make it happen, Captain. It's Mr. Explorer 365 and we are live in Lusaka, Zambia. I ain't never seen a little camera. Hey my brother, I ain't never seen nothing like this. Very nice stores. Okay, it's going down. Okay, it's going down. Hey, okay, it's going down. Brother getting his hustle on early in the morning. You know, as you can see, like I told you, they starting to come out now. They finna really come out and show out in a minute. Yes, y'all. Lusaka, Zambia. And when I say it the other way, I get the Lusaka twisted. Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. It's Mr. Explorer 365 and we are live here in Lusaka, Zambia, and guess what? It's going down. Oh yes it is. Morning, my brother. Morning. How y'all doing? Good morning. Okay. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. It's Mr. Explorer 365, and we are live here in Lusaka, Zambia, and it's going down. Check out the channel. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. As you can see, the sun is shining. And I'm trying to get you guys much footage as possible. I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna come down. This is one of their gas stations called Puma. So if you in Lusaka, Zambia area, and you see this gas station right here, then you know you in the location where you need to be. Check it out, check it out, check it. Check it out, check it out, check it. Check it out, check it out, check it. It's Mr. Explorer 365. And it's going down live in Lusaka, Zambia. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning and the people are starting to come out. And it's going down, baby. Yes, it is. Woo, and it's 1,000 degrees hot already. Okay, this is their first Capital Bank on the corner. You got IZB Bank on the corner. If you just tuning into the channel, it's Mr. Explorer 365, and we are live in Lusaka, Zambia. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It's early in the morning. When I say it's hot, it's hot. It don't seem like it, but it really is. It's hot. Oh yes it is. Oh yes it is. It's Mr. Explorer 365, and we are live here in Lusaka, Zambia. Check it out, Furniture World right there. Furnishing World. Good morning, my brother. Gotta watch your step. This ain't America, boy. All the concrete ain't paved. Right. You'll bite it. I stepped off the curb and it was a open hole right there, but it's hot. That it is. Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. It's Mr. Explorer 365, and we are live here in Lusaka, Zambia, and it's going down. Check it out. Woo! Man, it's getting hot.